Okay, what we have is a Bradford White 50-gallon water heater. About 15 years old, appears to be in pretty good condition. The pilot went out, it's no longer producing hot water. In attempting to light the pilot won't stay lit as you release the pilot release valve right here. The pilot will go out, which may be an indication that the thermocouple is in bad shape. It needs to be replaced. So to remove the thermocouple, you pull it out of the burner and unscrew it from the location right here, left-hand screw. You can buy replacements from Home Depot. And it should be a pretty simple installation to put this one back in. So to put the new thermocouple in, we'll just put it in through the bracket. And we'll push it in so that the tip is very close to where the pilot is located right here. The tip needs to be in the flame of the pilot. Okay, then we'll run this tube back up with the thermocouple back to the original location here. Okay, now we'll pull the burner back. Burner cover. We'll leave it slightly open so we can see what's going on here, and we'll attempt to relight the pilot. First, we'll turn the gas back on. Now we'll make sure that the pilot is currently in the off position. We'll put the switch to pilot right here. Then we can depress the red button and try to light the pilot and see if it stays lit after approximately a minute.
Yeah, it's lit now. You can see it now, like that.
So we'll hold this for a minute. See if it heats up the thermocouple sufficiently that it will keep the valve open. So that's probably been about a minute. So we're going to release the red button and see if the pilot remains lit.
Yeah.
So it looks like that's been successful. So now we're going to turn the pilot from pilot to run to on. You can see the burner kicked on. That's a good sign. And we're going to set the temperature here to heat up the water. So we're on. The red button is fully up. The thermostat has been set between the warm and the hot to whatever desired temperature. The thermocouple is away from the heater itself, and it looks like everything should be fine. So we'll close the outer door. And it looks like everything is fine. The burner is on, heating the water. We'll let it cycle, and hopefully everything is working 100%.